Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my quick, no makeup, natural makeup look when I just want to get ready super quick, like bada boom, bada bam, 5-10 minutes tops, not using any brushes, just using my hands. Let's get into it. So I always use a sunscreen or a moisturizer or a moisturizing sunscreen. Since I'm not putting much makeup on today, I wanted to use one that has sort of a tint, not as much as a tinted moisturizer, but it kind of does like a very minimal amount of evening out the skin tone, but just gives like a really nice glow to the skin. This is the e.l.f. Suntouchable Whoa Glow 30 broad spectrum SPF sunscreen, which is sun protection or makeup primer. For me, I actually do not like using this as a primer. It makes my makeup crumble, so I do only use this when I'm not wearing like face makeup. So instead of putting a heavy concealer on, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener. And now's the part where I can't see anything because I'm taking off my glasses. But I'm just gonna use my finger. When I have nails on, it's hard for me to use my finger, but I have short nails on this time. And I just do like a couple of light layers of this only around my eye area. And sometimes depending on how dry my eye area is, how much I've been crying that week, it's not funny, but it's real. So sometimes I'll use a little bit of a translucent powder to set it. Sometimes I won't because my eyes are very sensitive when I put powder. So now I'm just going to use some brow gel. This one is like a crusty, dusty, and I've been using it for a long time, but gotta use up your product if it's still good, you know? This is the Ardell one, I think. Yeah. So I just put the gel on and kind of brush my brows into place. Then I fill in my brows, but I just kind of like do it lightly. I don't do as much of a fill-in as I normally would because I don't want my brows to like stand out. I just want to fill in the sparse areas a little bit. So for me, that's mostly just the tails and like a little bit underneath and maybe a tiny bit in the front. And then I kind of just run the comb through it to soften it. Then I take a cream highlighter. I have this old broken one from e.l.f., which I don't think they make this anymore. This is the Glow Highlighter in Moonlight. And then this ColourPop one in Flexitarian. I basically just use a highlight that doesn't stand out too much, like something that's kind of just close to my skin tone, but with a little shimmer. And I just tap that lightly on my cheekbones, just to catch a little light. Next, I take a white eyeliner pencil, and I just put like a tiny dab of it on the inner corners of my eyes, just again to bring a little bit of light to it, but not be super obvious. And sometimes I'll put just a little tiny bit under my brow too. Like just like the littlest line and then blend it out with my finger. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. This always is a scary time for me. I feel like I'll never get used to curling my lashes. I will always have fear. I will always fear the eyelash curler. And I can't believe there's some people that heat theirs up or like use a heated one. I'm like, that is terrifying. So depending on if my lashes are tinted or not, I'll use either just a clear mascara or like an off black mascara. Ideally, I actually want to get a brown one, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. I'm gonna use some clear mascara. This just helps lock in the shape of the curl, and I'll usually kind of push my lashes up after doing that too. Finally, I can put my glasses back on and see. Last but not least, I just use a little bit of a lip stain to give the borders of my lips some color. And I'm just gonna kind of put it on and then rub it in. Mostly just my Cupid's bow and my outer corners. Oh, and this is the Palladio lip stain. It doesn't have the shade name on here. Oh, Mocha. I usually put a little bit of gloss or pumping gloss or balm or something. Today I'm gonna use the Polite Society Big Mouth lip plumping oil gloss. Just put a little bit because as soon as I step outside, my hair is gonna get stuck in it once the wind blows. Okay, that is it. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.